Adducci adventures.
Hi friends, did you know there are real-life superheroes? They don't wear masks or capes, but they do awesome things to keep us safe, healthy, and happy. Do you want to meet them? Let's meet our first superhero. Hi, my name is Officer Adducci. I'm here to solve crime. These police officers, men and women, help us so we can keep safe and happy. Police officer uniform is special. The blue shows that we love our community and we should care for it. If of an emergency, we can call backup. Yes, send the backup team. Yes, over. Did you know this superhero, the police officer, gives us the power to help others? The backup arrived and my car. Now let's go for that emergency. Bye. Get the steering wheel. I wonder who is the next superhero. Hi, my friends. Today we're talking about another superhero. My name is the Firefighter. Did you know firefighters are so cool? They're like real life superheroes because they can help people and save people's lives. Sometimes even animals' lives. Firefighters drive red trucks like mine, and they rush to put out fires and save lives. Let's talk about some safety rules. Did you know our elevator can malfunction when there's a fire? So don't use the elevator, always use your stairs. If accidentally you catch fire, stop, drop and roll. So you just stop if you're panicking and running. Drop to the floor and start rolling and rolling and rolling like a ball on the floor until the fire on your t-shirt or pants stops. Firefighters use special tools, like this is a fire extinguisher. Team, bring the fire extinguisher. See? Now let me show you the fire hose. This fire hose helps put out fires with water inside. Do you know what this is? You may have seen it on the roads. It's a fire hydrant. Did you know firefighters don't carry all of that water for the hose on the truck? This fire hydrant has all the water for them. They just connect the hose here. And then, there they go, swing the water. Firefighters are real superheroes. Oh, let me see the phone. Yes, Chief? Yeah. Yep. Oh, I got a fire. Bye. Whoa. Wait. There are more superheroes. Hi, friends. Today we're learning about another real-life superhero. My name is Construction Worker. Construction workers build houses, schools, roads, bridges, etc. And then now let me show you the tools. My hammer. Oh. And my wrench. And my screwdriver. I'm broken. It's kind of like a mini drill. Which can fix things, like it can fix the bolts. Did you know I also have the saw to make things better, like furniture? This place doesn't look clean. Let me build a house out of these bricks. Take this and maybe a bit of this and some of this. Whoa, this is starting to look like a statue more than a home. And you take this. Whoa, so cool. And then if we could, maybe I would need a bit of. Okay, just remove that. Put this. Ooh. And this. Now this is a house. Let's put it here. And let's work on our other house. We put it like here. Maybe we need a bit of brown. Let's just put it right there. That's our other house. But we still have bricks remaining. Let's take our palm tree from earlier. Set it in right here. And put some sand. Put it there, nice and good, so the root can fit. And there we have a palm tree. Build the houses. Let's clear the area. Bring the dump truck. Excavators. You need a giant hole in the ground. Maybe the palm tree could stay there. We just have one dump truck. Not a lot. One, two, three, and finally 4. Where will we dump all the sand? Maybe make a big dump here. And maybe here. Here it goes. Construction workers are real heroes because they help build our homes. Now back to work.